Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best laundry hampers that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Household Essentials 5626-1 Double Laundry Hamper. Next on our list is this double hamper, which boasts 100% polypropylene exterior and 100% polyester liner. This points to durability and how easy it is to clean this unit. The package also includes a detachable lid with a magnet flap for more secure closure and ensures that dirty linen is out of sight. The company assures that this unit is quick and straightforward to amass. You don't require any tools. This product is so flexible, being lightweight and readily collapses flat when not in use, and still offers a full load of laundry without being torn or broken. Moving on, at number 4, we have the BirdRock Home Double Laundry Hamper. You have to try the best to save every meter of the space to get the most out of it. This laundry hampers from BirdRock Home is useful in economizing the most limited of spaces. It is built to ensure accumulation and transportation of clothing is simple, bother-free and advantageous. The roomy interior of this double hamper makes it easy for you as far as sorting is of concern. It comes with 2 removable bags, meaning it is easy to wash them. Also attached is a lid to conceal the filthy content of your device. The 2 carrying handles will also allow you to move it anywhere in the house. For their price, it is difficult to find a better deal. At number 3, we have the SimpleHouseware Heavy-Duty Laundry Sorter. The laundry hamper is made of mesh material, so it's breathable and will keep your clothes and towels from getting musty. This unit features 3 heavy-duty bags supported by a sturdy frame, so you get to partition and vanquish your clothing heap into the 3 compartments. The steel frame is sufficiently lightweight for simpler taking care, yet sturdy enough to support up to 40 pounds of garments. The laundry hamper has a simple-to-open outline and well-made casters that take into consideration natural transportation. You are free to effortlessly roll this clothing sorter from room to pantry and lock the truck into a spot if required. Get it now and enjoy the pure convenience. At number 2, we have the Amazon Basics Foldable Laundry Hamper. This laundry hamper from Songmikes looks so stylish, and very few would guess how affordable it is. But that's just the beginning. It's made from 50% canvas, making it endurable. With the compact structure that this unit boasts, it is adapted for the tightest of space, and you only need to collapse and fold it for storage. Cut-out handles on both sides make it easy for the hamper to be taken from one point to the other. If you're someone who likes ease and convenience, this double laundry hamper is an excellent choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lamont Home Carter Laundry Hamper. Get a unique experience with this new design of laundry hamper introduced by Lamont Home. It is a simple wipe-to-clean unit that is outfitted with a quality matching vinyl padded covering with treated hinges that let you keep grimy work garments and athletic gear inside without stresses. The hamper has been built to last from high-quality paper wicker and can hold several heaps of clothing at once, making it perfect for a small family. Not to mention it is safe from dampness and does not require any assembly before use. We'd say that if you're looking to start small, start with this huge quality laundry hamper.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.